Hello YouTube, this is your girl Jamila Kamara Food. Today, because normally when I go live on my YouTube, the it's a bit dark in the room, so I decided to make a video today. I just made beautiful, delicious egg fried rice. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Jamila Kamara Food. You are going to see the way I fix this wonderful, tasty egg fried rice, and then I make it together with this is grilled salmon. This is grilled salmon, and I throw in some prawns, and then bell peppers, purple onion with a nice lemony gravy. You're gonna see all the recipe of this wonderful dish. Yes, I'm just going to transfer now actually the grilled salmon, and this salmon is cooked to perfection. Oh yes, that look really good now. Yes, as you can see, this is the grilled salmon. Very nice. You're gonna see all the recipe of this. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamila Kamara Food. Amen. Let me try this egg fried rice first to die for. This first bite is for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new content, you're gonna be the first one to be notified. Wow, this is so good. Let me try the grilled salmon. This is the grilled salmon I make for this for. Ooh. Oh. Wow. So delicious. Oh yes. You cannot beat homemade food. You cannot beat home cooked food. That salmon is to die for. Cooked to perfection. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamila Kamara Food. I'm going to show you the recipe of this wonderful fish. You will never eat boring grilled salmon for the rest of your life. Trust me. And this egg fried rice, I'll give even the Chinese a run for their money with this. It's so tasty. And these prawns, how juicy they look. Cooked to perfection. Mm, mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 This is what we call food. Real, tasty, delicious, homemade food. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. This grilled salmon, I bought the whole salmon. It's about 1.5 kilo of old salmon. I just fillet it into two. I remove the bone in the middle and I cut into 4 pieces. The last time I used the one, today is another one I use. Mm. It's so good. You can't beat homemade food. Mm. This is so easy to cook. It's so easy to cook. Just subscribe, Jamila Camara Food. I'm going to show you how this is made. So you can enjoy grilled fish. You can enjoy a grilled fish and egg fried rice. Mm-hmm. Mm. If you don't like fish, like some of you, the vegetarians, you try this rice, you will never regret it. It's just so good, so delicious, so palatable. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I'm full up now, but this is good. I'm not gonna waste this fish. This fish is going to be eaten again tomorrow because it's just too good to waste. Mm. Mm. Mm.